Still this late till you here alone. 'Cause everyone else was saying tonight. Took the whole tab and I lost control. I just wanna feel like an alien, yeah. 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 Finally got my feeling back. Let's see what I do with that. Running wild, I've been going mad. How many times can I fill the glass before the hour pass? I'ma be out something else that will make you mad. No more tripping by the thing that I used to have. I just grew up on my wings, better clear a path. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Count me out, do the thing they always talk about. Try to silence me and mute the sound. Won't be a second that I don't get on the mic and tell the world I'm proud. Won't be a year that I don't see a crowd. Did you see I turned my life around? Yeah, yeah. Did you see me living in the clouds? Yeah, yeah. Already bored of all the action. Only 4 years since I made it up my passion. Only 2 years since I figured out my fashion. Got my own whip and I'm living out the palace. Popping out the acid, I've been hanging out with Alice. Deep inside our wonderland, living in the madness. I know that you a pro, but baby, I don't need to practice. Remember, I'm an actress. M's on the crib and it only got a mattress. Yeah. Yeah. Got me in my head today. Who the fuck will love me if I never change? I'm not sure what to say. I would really love to stay the same. Yeah.